Good morning, everyone. Man, it's been a second. Welcome back to YouTube, right? Here we go. Let's try to get this thing back up and rolling. Get some days in the life of what we're up to these days. So right now we are getting some fuel. I got Taylor behind me right now driving the new F550. We got a crew truck back there. Let's see what else. So we're gonna grab some fuel, and then we're headed to Boise to get some crane training done. We're gonna train 4 of us, so it'll be me, Tubbs, Dan, and Taylor at the moment, just to get some certified crane operators on site, and then we got to head back to Oregon to go finish up a job. We have a couple little knickknacks that need to get done, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys here in just a sec. Remember how to do that? You asked if it was a must-win game, and if you'd ever taken a rudimentary math class, $82, not bad. Okay, got fuel. Man, I'm looking rough. I need to go get a haircut, maybe a beard trim, lose about 40 pounds. Man, I tell you what, it's just tough. Just tough living around this place. Or living too good, that might be it. But what's happening right now, I sent Taylor. He's in the crew truck. He's going to run and go get Daniel. And, which, for all you guys that remember Dan, he was a helper for me. He's my brother. And he was a helper in a bunch of the videos. And then he went off and started welding water lines. And now he works for us. So he's like our lead estimator. And if we need to send out for like an emergency foreman or superintendent, we can send him out there and he will go handle it. But he's mostly solely focused on helping me in the office as far as growing this thing as big as we can grow it, but which it's been getting really big. But anyways, let's go grab Tubbs real fast and then we'll get on our way. We're gonna head to Boise. We got a sweet Airbnb. We'll show you guys when we get there. See you in a sec. See ya. Dang, dude. That chick wanted you back.
Like a fighter jet pilot.
What'd you think? The glasses are a little awkward.
Let me get a better look at that.
Yeah. Wow, that is good.
Oh, welding bright.
Oh, it's so bright. Due to the mustache. We'll start calling you Maverick.
You take a red layer and a blue layer, combine those together, draw the billet out into a long piece, cut it up, restack it. You multiply.
Six times 6 plus 6 plus 6.
You're done.
This. And
gotta tell you guys, this has been an awesome flipping day. So for anybody looking to get crane certified, man, Northwest Crane Training out of Kuna, Idaho, they have been absolutely fantastic. They're awesome people. Just super knowledgeable. The lady that teaches the class, Emily, she's a 4th grade teacher, so she can dumb it down for me and my guys. It made it a lot easier for us. And then on top of that, then you have Walker, who's actually doing all the crane training, and just super good people. So anyways, guys, it has been awesome. Tubbs is just finishing up his stuff, and then we're gonna head back, go start making some dinner. So see you guys at the house. Dan, what do you think?
Oh, it's awesome.
Love it.
You mentioned when you're doing the turntable, watch the turntable as you start going. Once you hit your speed, don't stop until you're at those cones.
Oh, got you.
Yeah. Like that.
Well, good morning, everybody. Man, I got to tell you, we finished up the crane training, and it was flipping awesome. So, if anybody is looking for crane training, that Northwest Crane Training out of Kuna, Idaho, they are fantastic people, and they really take their time and make sure that you understand your material. So, anyways, we are back to work. We are back to the office today. We're going to go in here and go. We got a few meetings we got to go to, and then after that, it's just gathering up work and trying to find work. And I got a couple contracts I need to reach out about and make sure that our contracts are signed, and it should be a pretty good day. So anyways, look forward to it. We'll talk to you guys here in a sec.